Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Kennidi Monroe, and today we are going to do a look from Jeffree Star's Thirsty palette. So I guess this palette has been MIA for a while, and it's like a favorite. So he brought it back for the holidays, and I had to get it. Check out those cool colors. We're going to do something today with this look. So if you haven't already, go check this out at Jeffree Star Cosmetics. We're going to see what it is, and I'm going to give you my full review when it's all over. So stay tuned right here. I'm right back here. So I have, as you see, my face is already contoured. If you want to learn how to get this contoured look, please go check out my contour videos. I have two of them. One how to do contouring with your foundation, and one how to contour with powders. And this look is with foundation. So as you all know, I love going in with my Jeffree Star Magic Star Concealer. And we're going to go in and get my lid. This one's the white one. This is his lightest one. This one is new. I'm just trying it for the first time right now. So, yes. A little under my eye. Okay. Oh, yeah. Look at that. What? So now I'm going to go in with Jeffree Star's Orange Magic Star Concealer. It is orange, of course. And I just got this because sometimes I want to make my eyebrows look different. And this eliminates that. So I'm going to let that sit. So now I'm going to go in with my one size. This is one size Beauties. I love this pencil because it's creamy enough that you can really move it around. So I'm using Jeffree Star's makeup brush that I got it from Morphe. Of course, Morphe doesn't carry Jeffree Star anymore. But this brush that I just saw the other day on Morphe is still, it's on clearance right now. I think it's like 14, 15 bucks. As I was saying before my dogs went crazy, is this brush right here by Morphe, and Jeffree Star is on clearance because, of course, they stopped selling Jeffree Star's cosmetics. So I just saw the other day that this set's like 12 bucks now. It's worth it. Morphe has some really great brushes. I have also the Coca-Cola collection brushes. They're all good. They're probably some of my favorite brushes. So I'm going to go in underneath. crazy there. I'm just using the white concealer right there. Just look at it. Perfect. Let it dry. There's so many wonderful colors. I keep gravitating to the yellow, but I've done something with yellow, I think. So I'm going to try to do something with these corals. Let's see what we can do, okay? So I'm going to do taste buds first. I really like those taste buds. Look at that color. Jeffree Star's colors are very pigmented. You want to go to makeup that's pigmented. Okay? That. What? So we got the brown in there like we want it. I feel like I want a little more orange. So I'm going to go in. Get that orange in there. Yes. Love it, love it, love it. If you know I'm obsessed with One Size's Point liquid eyeliner, 24 hour. Going in there. Look at that. It's so easy to do. Just let it dry. While I'm letting it dry. Okay, so I'm going to go in with kind of a nudish lip. I'm going to use Celebrity Skin's Velour. I mean, just look at this. This is sickening. Let me show you what the packaging looks like. It's a Velvet Trap, not Velour. Velvet Trap lipstick. Now, let me tell you, I'm obsessed with these. I'm going in with Jeffree Star's Gemini. See, the cutest little pencils. It's a velour lip pencil. So I want some color on my cheeks, and if you watch my YouTube channel, you will know I love putting colors from the palettes in my cheeks. So because I love this Taste Buds orange, I'm gonna put some orange in my cheeks. And this brush is 164S MAC. I love it for taking eye colors and making it blush. Whoa, look at that. Now I want to go in and give a little sparkle, so I'm going to use Jeffree Star's Extreme Frost. This is Choking on Ice. You just want it to be like, another Morph brush. This is from the Coca-Cola collection. And I'm just going to go in. Put some Extreme Frost in there. Look at that. So come back for the whole look. Look at that. Ah! Can't even catch it's a wig, can you? Bam!